Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to learn in chapter number 2, acids, base and salts. Today's our discussing points is 2.1.4, acid and base react with each other is our main point. Please open your textbook and see the page number 21. Read carefully with discussion. Now we will start our today's topic, acids and base react with each other. Okay, first one, we perform the activity number 2.6 from the page number 21. Please read carefully and see your textbook. First one, take about 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution. NaOH means sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a sample of base. So first one, take about 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube and add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. We know that phenolphthalein indicator is a synthetic indicator. What is the color of the solution? First question arises here. What is the color of the solution? So please perform this activity and observe which color change here. Second one, add dilute HCl solution to the above solution drop by drop. Okay, now add dilute HCl solution. HCl means hydrochloric acid. It's a kind of sample of acid. So HCl solution to above the solution. Above the solution, that means NaOH plus phenolphthalein. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द NaOH एंड फिनोप्थेलिन जो है उसके अंदर आपको ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप, 1 ड्रॉप बाय 1 ड्रॉप बाय 1 ड्रॉप ऐसे उसमें इसे मिक्स करते रहना है. इज देयर एनी कलर चेंजेस फॉर द रिएक्शन मिक्सचर? व्हाट इज द कलर चेंजेस हियर? डू यू ऑब्जर्व? व्हाई इज द कलर ऑफ फिनोप्थेलिन चेंज आफ्टर द एडिशन ऑफ एन एसिड? इफ एनी कलर चेंज you may not, then find out the reason. How did this color change after the addition of HCl? Now add a few drops of NaOH to the above mixture. Again you added NaOH, and does the pink color of phenolphthalein reappear? Why do you think this has happened? Okay, so after the activity or chemical reactions, some questions arise in our mind. For example, first question is, what is the color of the solution? What is the color of solution after 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube is added 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution? Our observation is NaOH solution is become a pink in color. NaOH solution is become a pink in color. And then the second step, please read your textbook. Add dilute HCl solution to the above solution drop by drop. Here the procedure may pink color is disappear. That means when a few drops of HCl are added in the solution of NaOH and phenolphthalein indicator, pink color is disappeared. So here we shows a chemical reaction when acid and base react to each other and they make salt and water. They make salt and water, and when in the second stage NaOH plus phenolphthalein solution, we added some drop of HCl, the color is disappeared. Then again, few drops of NaCl to above the mixture, once again a pink color is appear now. Pink color is appear now. Does the pink color of phenolphthalein reappear? Yes, of course, pink color is reappear. And what happened? Do you think this has happened? So answer is, when phenolphthalein is added to NaOH solution, the solution becomes the pink. On adding a few drops of dilute HCl, the pink color of the solution is disappeared. The reason for this color change is a neutralization of the base by an added acid. So this is our first activity number 2.6. Now, conclusion of the activity. Here we studied two main points. First one, what is the neutralization? A reaction between acids and base to form salt and water is called the neutralization. Here acid and base are neutralized to each other and they form salt and water. So neutralization can be represented as the general formula: acids plus base gives salt and water. Now some examples of the neutralization reactions. First one, NaOH means sodium hydroxide plus HCl means hydrochloric acid. Here NaOH is the strong base, HCl is a strong acid, combine to each other and they forms NaCl means sodium chloride is the salt, common salt, plus H2O. Second reaction, KOH. KOH means potassium hydroxide. KOH combined with H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. KOH is a strong base. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid. When base and acid react to each other and they give K2SO4, that means potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate, K2SO4. Potassium sulfate as a kind of salt plus H2O. So students, we conclude that in the above activity we have observed that the effect of the base is nullified by an acid and vice versa. The reaction taking place is written from the form NaOH aqueous plus HCl aqueous and they gives NaCl aqueous plus H2O in the liquid form. So the reaction between the acid and base to give the salt and water is known as the neutralization reaction, and general form of the neutralization reaction is acid plus base gives salt and water. I hope so you understand very well the fourth chemical property of the acids and base. Now let's we understand the fifth chemical property, reaction of metallic oxide with acid. So please see the page number 21 from your textbook. Here we perform a simple activity 2.7. Take a small amount of copper oxide in a beaker and add dilute hydrochloric acid slowly while stirring. Note the color of solution and what has happened to the copper oxide. A simple activity is here. We notice that the color of solution become blue green and the copper oxide dissolve. क्या देखने मिलेगा? जो solution का कलर है वो ब्लू ग्रीन कलर बनेगा और कॉपर ऑक्साइड है वो डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा. The blue green color of the solution is due to the formation of copper chloride in the reaction. क्यों मिल रहा है ये? क्योंकि कॉपर क्लोराइड है ये यहाँ पर बन रहा है as a product. The general reaction between the metal oxide and an acid can be written as metal oxide plus acid. They give salt and water. They give salt and water. Now write the balance equation for the above reaction. Since metallic oxide react with acids to give salt and water, similar to the reaction of the base with an acid and metallic oxide are said to be basic oxide. So please write down a summary of properties number 5. आपको मेरे साथ साथ नोट्स करना है. रिएक्शन ऑफ a metal oxide or metallic oxide with acid. General formula of the reaction is, we see here metal oxide combined with acid and they give salt and water. For example, some amount of copper oxide CuO combined with hydrochloric acid we gives CuCl2 copper chloride plus H2O. Repeat once again. Here the color of solution becomes the blue-green and copper oxide is dissolved. The blue-green color of the solution is due to the formation of the copper chloride. So the general formula is presented in activity number 5, reaction with metal oxide plus acid and forms salt and water. Now sixth and last properties. Please turn your page and page number 22. A simple activity is here. Reaction of the non-metallic oxide with the base. We show the reaction between the carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide, means lime water, from our previous activity 2.5. Calcium hydroxide, which is a base, and react with the carbon dioxide to produce a salt and water. Since this similar reaction between the base as an acid, and we can conclude that non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. So now here we complete our second task from the lesson acid, base and salts. First topic we discuss about the common properties of acid and base and indicators. What is indicator, what is the function of indicator, and types of indicator. And in the second our task we discuss some chemical properties of acid and base, and entire topic we discuss 6 properties of acids and base. Now it is over. I hope so you understand all properties very well. Next video we will come to learn what do all acid and base have in common. यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे. I hope so you understand very well. Please revise all the topic one by one and frequently, regularly. Thank you and bye.